Hi, welcome to Crafty Kids at Kingston Libraries. Now, do you have a lot of babies' clothes or dolls' clothes that you are just lying in a cupboard or in a box and you'd like to make your own little wardrobe for them? Well, I've got the tricks for you to do that today. So what you need is a shoebox. So I've just cut off the lid of the shoebox and you might want to get mum or dad to help you with this. I've just got something with a sharp edge. This is a skewer. So I've just put a hole in that, sort of at the top, about in the middle, each end, as you can see. As I went walking, I found a nice long stick, fairly straight stick, which is going to be my hanging space, a hanging rod. And then with a pair of scissors, I made the hole bigger so that I could fit the wood in. Okay, and I've threaded the wood through from one end to the other, and voila, there's our wardrobe. All we need to do now is fill it with some clothes. So, but they don't make coat hangers really small, do they? But I can show you how, using pipe cleaners. So there's a double coat hanger, and there's a single coat hanger. How do you make them? It is so easy. All you need is a pipe cleaner. Now get a nice long one. You'll need a long pipe cleaner, not a short one. Fold the pipe cleaner in half, and then with one of the ends, just twist that around about of a quarter way up. Twist that around like so. And then with the one that hasn't been twisted around, the one that's standing up, just bend that like a hook. And that's actually going to be your hanging hook. And then all you need to do is split this in two, like so. Keep going, keep going, keep going, and then you'll create your coat hanger. That wasn't hard, was it? Shall we do that again? This time, let's do a double one. So we're going to have two pieces of, again, same length. So about a quarter way up. Oh, sorry, let's do the half first. See it? Like so. And about quarter of the way up, we're going to twist the two colours around the other two colours, like so. Until it's twisted right around, and then we're going to use the top two that are standing up. They're going to become the hook. And then we're going to join them together, and again just split them like so, and there is our hanger. This one looks like this person barracks for Hawthorn, don't they? So there we are. So we're all ready to start hanging up our clothes. So here's an example here, and I would like to say a big shout out to Lucy for lending me her clothes and giving me the idea. There we go. There goes one and hanging up. Now sometimes they are a little bit, they do slide around a little bit. So if you've got some little pegs, which you can buy from the $2 shops, you can actually assist by just putting a little peg on there, and that'll help it stay on the hanger. Like so. Okay, there we go. There's item number one in the wardrobe. It's looking a bit bare though, isn't it? Let's get some more together. Here we are. This is very cute, isn't it? Pop that one on there. And there's another one. Oh, we're starting to fill up this wardrobe. Look at that's a very fancy dress, isn't it? That's one for night time, I think. Oh, and this is a bit racy. I think John Travolta wore one of those jackets in Grease, the movie. Okay, so there you are. And this is our last one. We're going to put it on this nice double hanger. And again, I'm just going to use a peg just to help it. Pop it there on the front of the jacket. And there we have our doll's very own wardrobe. I hope you have fun making your own hangers, coat hangers, for your doll's clothes. I look forward to seeing you another time with another craft idea. Bye for now.